Okay, so the next app is one of my favorites. It is an app called EdPuzzle. So EdPuzzle is fantastic. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to log out and I'm going to sign back in. I am the teacher, and I am going to be using my Google credentials. There we go. So that's me. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to go to my classes in the top right hand side. And so I only have one classroom, which is the district classroom, but I'm going to add a new one to this. So I'm going to create a new class, but I'm going to go into my Google Classroom. And so I have a bunch of different classes that I'm a part of, and I'm going to choose sample class. I'm going to click that. All right, and then I'm going to push the button import classes at the bottom of this small window. And so it's going to load. It's going to show me my students. I have one student, and her name is Miss Muha. So, perfect. We got it. We're good to go. And now we're going to back out of here and go into content. So now we need to populate our Google Classroom with a neat EdPuzzle video. So today, let's try to find something, and we're going to use... let's take a TED Talk. And I love bluegrass country music, so I'm going to choose this. So here you go. We're going to take just this randomized video, but of course you can search by whatever content. So if there's a book that you'd like to do an exploration on, or a topic that will help make the book come alive, you can obviously go up here into the search content area and type in whatever that topic might be. But I chose this video. It's relatively short. Gonna hit play to watch it, to preview
Hi, how are you?
it.
It's great to be here. Tonight we're gonna play you two songs, and we're three brothers from New Jersey. And the funny thing is that, believe it or not, we are hooked on bluegrass, and we're excited to play it for you tonight.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I think this is the video for me. I love it. So I am going to just go down. I am going to assign this video. So I'm going to assign the video to my sample classroom. And I'm going to put a due date on it. Now this will give me some data right away about exactly when my students logged in and the duration of the video that they watched. Now this is wonderful, this is fantastic. However, not the most engaging activity, it's still very passive. In our next video, I'll take you through a little tutorial on how to create formative assessment questions to generate data to help move instruction.